Welcome to ToonLand! Yay!
Spring is here, the flowers grow. Butterflies dance nice and slow. Birds are singing in the trees. Colorful petals in the breeze. Summer shines with sunny skies. Ice cream treats and kites that rise. Mango sweet and day so bright. Children laugh from morn till night. Raindrops falling from the sky. Dark gray clouds are drifting by. Umbrellas open, splash and play. Rainy puddles save the day. Autumn leaves are red and gold, falling gently, bright and bold. Cooler breezes start to blow. Nature puts on quite a show. Winter comes with chilly air. Warm woolen clothes we love to wear. Foggy mornings, cozy nights, twinkling stars and festive lights. Spring and summer, rain and fall. Winter comes to visit all. Round and round the seasons go, helping earth and nature grow. Flowers bloom and raindrops fall. Sunny days can warm us all. Golden leaves and winter snow. That's how all the seasons go.
Thanks for watching! Click the subscribe button below to join the fun! See you next time!